Hello and welcome to the channel. I am Bijay, a Microsoft MVP, and in this video I'm going to explain you how we can get thumbnail image URL from SharePoint picture library. If you are using picture library, by default if you'll see whenever you will upload a image into the picture library, it will create the thumbnail image. But I'll show you here how we can retrieve that URL, thumbnail URL. So let me open my SharePoint site. So if you'll see here, this is my SharePoint online site, and in this SharePoint online site, this is my picture library. And here I have uploaded a image. You can see it here, and this is what the thumbnail view is appearing. You can see here there is a list view, also thumbnail view, and it is showing me the thumbnail of the picture. If I'll try to take the image, you cannot get it, the image URL. So let me click on that, and if you'll see here, now it will open the that picture URL. So you can see here, this is my picture, it is coming here. Okay, this is not, definitely this is not the thumbnail URL or the thumbnail image. So this is not the thumbnail image. So if you even if you right click and copy the image address, and if you'll put in this notepad, you can see here something like this is appearing. Okay, and if you'll see, let me just go back, and you can see here if I'll right click on the name of the picture, and I'll say copy link address, and I'll put it here. Now you can see here, this is what is the image URL, the original image URL. Now how we can generate the thumbnail image is, if you'll see here, it is generating one image which is of course not the original image. This is little larger size. So how the URL will be, I'll just copy it here, and what I'll do here is I'll put underscore t here. So you can see here I put underscore t, and then this image, this is a actually this is a PNG image, you can see here. So for this what you'll do is, you can see here I will just put underscore PNG, and the extension will be .jpg. So even if you will upload a PNG image, the thumbnail it will create is in .jpg extension. So you can see here I did like this. So I put underscore PNG and the name, and then .jpg. So now if I'll copy this URL, so I'll paste in the browser, you can see here. So if I'll paste it here, now whatever it will open, you can see here, this is the thumbnail URL, whatever it is coming. So I hope this small video will be very much helpful to retrieve the thumbnail image URL from a SharePoint picture library. Hope you like this video. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. So you can all these links I'll put in the comment box, and uh, and you will get a lot of videos on SharePoint, Office 365, Microsoft Flow, Power Apps, all these SharePoint related, Office 365 related technology videos. You will get it on the channel, so you'll get it notified on that. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a nice day.